Just 20 years ago, the consumer TV market was divided among about 10 well-known manufacturers, where Sony held one of the strongest positions. However, over the last decade, the situation has changed dramatically as a huge number of challengers have penetrated the market, primarily from China, producing good options at extremely attractive prices. However, Sony still remains among the leaders, offering the latest technologies combined with the highest level of quality traditional for this brand. Hi all, my name is Gabriel and you're watching the Digital Signage channel, where we're talking about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. Today we have a big review of the best TVs that Sony is ready to offer its customers right now. We'll take a look both at consumer options as well as commercial grade displays, learning about everything, specifications, advantages and prices as well. Well, should be interesting, so make yourself comfortable, subscribe to the channel and press the like and the bell so as not to miss another useful video. Let's start with the consumer lineup, and first on the list is the entry-level model Sony Bravia X75WL. This 4K TV is available in a wide range of sizes from 43 to 75 inches. The performance in this model is driven by the famous Sony 4K X1 processor with support for Dolby Vision, 4K X Reality Pro and live color functions. Excellent sound is provided by two 10-watt X-balanced speakers with room-filling effect and Dolby Atmos support. Entertainment is powered by the modern Google TV platform with the usual set-top-notch multimedia content. The obvious disadvantages of this model in comparison with more advanced options include a slightly outdated type of direct LED backlighting, not very impressive 50-60 Hz of panel refresh rate, and, which will be an important omission primarily for gamers, the lack of a VRR function. Well, the obvious advantage is the price in the range from $880 to $1,880 US, depending on the screen size, obviously. Let's move on. Next up is the Sony Bravia XR-X90L. This series is available in 5 sizes, from the most popular 55 inches to an impressive 98 inches. The heart of this model is the advanced cognitive processor XR. It controls full array LED backlighting of this TV by zone, delivering hyper-realistic contrast in both bright and dark areas and delivering 30% higher brightness than predecessors. Technologies such as XR Triluminous Pro and XR Clear Image are also responsible for picture quality. Exceptional sound is provided by acoustic multi-audio with Dolby Atmos. Also worth noting are Google TV with Google Assistant built in and the Chick One Slate design, almost with no bezel. Gamers will appreciate the 100 and 120 Hz refresh rate and the presence of VRR and ALLM functions. Well, about the price. This model is available on the market in the price range between $1,200 to $10,000 US. Now let's go to its flagship series, the Sony Bravia XR-A95L, which combines the best technologies that Sony is ready to offer. This model is available in 3 sizes of 55, 65 and 77 inches, powered by a cognitive processor XR with 32 GB of storage, like the previous model, and has Google TV on board. The main advantage of this model is the stunning picture provided by QD OLED technology. It's a combination that includes the best of both worlds, OLED quality and quantum dot brightness and colors. Let's not forget about XR OLED Contrast Pro and XR Triluminous Max with its vivid colors. Incredible sound is provided by Immersive Acoustic Surface Audio Plus with 2 20-watt actuators and 2 10-watt subwoofers. In addition, this series offers even more gaming features than other models in the lineup. For example, 2 screens at once or RTS and FPS gaming modes. Also, let's mention the Bravia cam that comes for free with this model. This device is designed for manual gestures control or for chatting. It also has a feature that automatically changes brightness depending on how far you are from the TV. Prices range from $2,500 for 55 inches to $4,500 for 75 inches respectively. Now let's move on from consumer models to professional lineup. And first of all, it's worth highlighting the general advantages of these displays. You can see them on the screen right now. Enhanced brightness, 24/7 operating mode, increased lifespan up to around 50,000 hours, the ability to place the display in portrait orientation, side logo position, HTML5/Android app compatibility, and extended warranty. Now to the specific models. Let's start with the Sony Bravia BZ40L series, available in sizes from 55 to 85 inches. Here we have an LCD panel with direct LED backlighting, 4K support and a brightness of 700 nits, incomparable to consumer models. The 4K X1 processor with Android TV and 32 GB of storage on board is responsible for the performance. The surface of the display has a special black non-glare coating that allows it to be installed regardless of light source location, while Triluminous Pro technology provides incredibly rich and realistic colors. One of the main advantages of this series compared to the consumer models is the presence of Pro mode, which allows you to control the display settings at a more advanced level, ensuring the safety of its operation in a public place. For example, you can turn off input or remote control features, set on-off times, lock buttons to prevent unauthorized access, etc. Also worth noting is the multi-display setting app, which allows you to create amazing video walls from multiple Bravia displays. This series is available at prices starting from $1,300 for the 55-inch display and up to $4,300 for the 85-inch option. Well, and here is the last model of our review. Bravia BZ50L, the flagship display of the current professional lineup from Sony. It has all the benefits of the BZ40L series, but with a number of important improvements and differences. And the first one of them is a stunning 98-inch display. We also note the brightness increased to 780 nits and a more advanced full array LED backlight type. The cognitive processor XR is responsible for performance here, similar to the top models of the consumer lineup, with its entire set of goodies such as XR motion clarity, Triluminous Pro, XR contrast booster, and more. Moreover, its extended 5-year warranty and installation-friendly features are worth mentioning. You can get this super display for a price starting from $11,200. Not cheap, but it's important to understand what you're getting for this money. Well, let's sum it up. Sony successfully balances an intersection of market demands and the latest technologies, consistently offering high-quality TVs and displays in various size and price ranges. Thus, everyone can choose their own option depending on their needs and wallet size. And here it is worth noting that the Look Digital Signage service is an authorized Sony B2B Alliance software partner. So if you're planning to use Sony TV for digital signage, Look is guaranteed to be a great match for your display, no matter your final choice. See it for yourself within the 14-day free trial or book a personal demo to learn all about the powerful capabilities of our software solution. All useful links are down in the description as usual. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to put the thumbs up and, well, write in the comments what other displays you would like to see reviewed on our channel. Bye guys, and see you in the next videos.